So I'm getting ready to wash the RZR, and I bought some cheap car wash, this here foam blaster, and we're gonna try those out. It's not terribly dirty, but I mean the lower part's pretty muddy. And then I'm gonna try the WD40 underneath, and then I have some SC1 for the plastics. So we're gonna try all that out, see how it goes with a Ryobi pressure washer, electric. It's pretty good rinse. So one thing, I have soap in the dispenser on here too. I don't know if that's gonna help or not. And this did come with some like all-purpose cleaner. I'm not gonna use that. I just really want to try out the, regular soap that's cheap. That's almost a full soap dispenser, and I think it's pretty good. It does make a high-pitched, horrible noise. I don't think so. I'm gonna try just spraying it. I think it'll be pretty good. Alright, so next I have the SC1. Now it says to spray it on the plastics and everything, but I don't know if I need to spray it on this stuff. So I'm just going to spray a little bit there. And then I'll spray the rest on. And then it says let it dry for 60 seconds. And then rub it in. Actually, that looks pretty clean. I'm just going to spray everything. Wow. Yeah, that looks very shiny. I think I can just... I think then you just rub it in, so... I already got some big scratches on this side. Maybe I could just do this on everything. It's a lot of surface area here. I figure if this stuff works good, you can buy the bulk boxes right on Amazon. Couple spots of dirt here and there. Boy, it's so hard to tell when you're pressure washing, like where you missed. Might as well spray in here too, I guess. Stuff smells good though. Probably shouldn't be breathing in too much. I don't know. Definitely leaving some residual. I mean, that looks so good though. Maybe because it's black too, so it really just makes it pop. Alright, I guess I'll just let that sit. Then I think we just wipe it. I'm going to flash forward. Alright, so it's been about a minute. I'm just going to start wiping, I guess. It does say you use microfiber, so I think I've sprayed pretty much everything. It's like almost like waxing a car. And then hopefully this really helps in the cleanup process next time. And then each time I can just get it a little bit more clean. But I'm going to cut here and then I'll just wipe it down real quick and then we'll do a walk around. Alright, so I got WD-40. I don't know, I saw these people talking about they just kind of sprayed up underneath here, but I don't really know what to spray. Like just spray everything a little bit. And people were talking about like mud sticking to it and everything, but I'm not too worried about that. I mean, it's gonna get muddy anyway. Still, even after washing it, as long as it keeps everything preserved. And obviously I'm not gonna spray it on the disc brakes. But just kind of spray it here and there. Just want to keep everything preserved, I guess. Oops, got a little on the exhaust. Probably didn't want to do that, but. And then I'll keep an eye on everything after a few weeks. Probably do this, check it again, see how it looks. I mean, it definitely does look clean under there, for sure, but... Yeah, so basically people were saying that the dust is going to stick to it and whatnot. But if I'm pressure washing it, I don't think it really matters. And then it's going to get covered in mud anyways. So, and you can see the spots I missed when I was pressure washing it too. So, whoops. Okay, we're all done here. I think it looks freaking good compared to like how it started earlier. That stuff... It's almost like waxing it, like it looks so clean. And then as far as the WD-40 goes, we'll see how that goes. I mean, I didn't go crazy with it just in case. I just kind of sprayed it on roughly. Didn't go like every little nook and cranny, just in case it is a bad idea. But we'll see. But the SC1 seems really good. Definitely got it cleaned right up. But I mean, look at that. And some of the scratches, I had some big scratches, and it kind of made those almost go away. There's a big one over here. Almost can't see it now. You can kind of see it though. I mean, but it does look a lot better compared to what it was. But, all right. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for the after mud review.